Good, lovely, lovely, lovely. And one last reflecting back. All right, I believe person A is reflecting back. Ready, set, go.
So this was a workshop that the Center for Communicating Science runs these kinds of workshops quite frequently. It's a chance for us to share the skills and techniques of theater with researchers and scientists doing amazing work. And the goal is to say, hey, we've got these skills, and why don't we share them with you and think about how you can take your wonderful expertise and share it with wider audiences to say, hey, let's interact, let's talk about science, let's talk about research, and find ways to move forward with that new knowledge.
The interactions in full force, they felt more natural than just stand up and say one interesting thing about you that actually forced you to interact, especially with your research, which sometimes I feel is lost whenever you have these types of interactions.